Hello kids! Today we are going to recite a new poem in English and the name of this poem is A Happy Song. So are you all ready to recite along with me? Come on, let's start. Listen, sing and act. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk. Walk around. Walk around together. Jump, jump, jump. Jump around. Jump around together. Now children, we are going to sing the song again, but we are going to change the actions. So come on. Sing, sing, sing. Sing a song. Sing a song together. Wave, wave, wave. Wave your hands. Wave your hands together. Touch, touch, touch. Touch your toes. Touch your toes together. Turn, turn, turn. Turn around. Turn around together. Thank you for watching. Children, if you like the video, please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.